Hello and welcome to your virtual video walk around. This is the 2016 Acura MDX. Stock number is T20523A. Let's take ourselves on a virtual video walk around, show you the exterior and then the interior of this very clean MDX. This vehicle has just over 38,000 miles. Sunset Ford is the home of warranty protection for life and oil changes for life. You just get more right here at Sunset Ford. Now making our way around the driver's side exterior. We're going to go into the interior right here. Take notice of the interior condition. The leather is absolutely flawless. No rips, no tears, no stains. Beautiful day here in the Great Pacific Northwest. You can see that up the moonroof. And ease of view driving. All the controls at your fingertips. This MDX will not last long, so do me a favor. For more info, call us, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down. We look forward to meeting you. Most of all, we look forward to earning your business. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. This is Scott Tanner saying make it a great day. Take care.